Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to remove this crank, this window crank. You're going to need a special tool to remove this. Keep in mind the position of the crank when we take it off. You can either make a little mark or put a piece of tape there, or just remember where it goes. The tool, you're going to go in this side. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky. And I got it out. The way the tool works, it slides in, moves up on this clip, and spreads it, and then you can pull it up. So remove this washer. There is a Torx screw that's down here in this handle area. I'm going to use a T20 Torx driver and a extension and a ratchet. Pull that Torx screw out. We can grab on this handle, just pull up. If you have trouble pulling up, you can use a trim tool. Just get underneath, pry up on it. I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. There's a screw right in the door, right here. Get that screw out. Next we have door pins all around the perimeter of the door. I'm going to take some trim tools, get in behind the door. And just twist them. There's a little trim push pin right there. We have to remove that. All right, so I'll use a trim tool to remove this push pin. And we can pull out on the door panel. Oh, there's still one locked in. There we go. Then the door panel comes off. There's those little clips that we're holding it on. And then the push pins. So some of these door push pins came out when we pulled the door panel off. I'm going to use this push pin removal tool. We sell these at 1aauto.com. Just slide it over and squeeze and pop it out. Do the same with this one. Just like that. All right, so on the door panel, I will take these push clips and reinstall them. Slide it on like that. Slide this one right here. We can reinstall this door panel. Just gonna slide it in. There's a little tab right here that's going into this square slot right there. Line that up. Slide that down. And get all the push pins lined up, and you can take and just push the door panel on, just like that. So we'll install this push pin right there, lock it in place. We'll install this washer for where the window crank goes. And then for the window crank, you want to make sure that this retainer is in this position. If it's pushed out a little bit, you're going to push it back on. Bring it over here, line it up in the location where it was before, lock it in place. Take this Phillips head screw, install this right here. Snug that down. Next we'll take this handle part, line it up, push it down, lock it in place. Then we'll take our torque screw and our T20 and our extension and ratchet and snug this up. And just snug that up.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.